In this video, we'll show you how to load paper into the cassette. Close the output tray extension. Next, return the paper output tray. Slide out the cassette. Detach the cassette cover. Move the right paper guide to the edge of the tray. Adjust the front paper guide to the size of the paper you're using. Now, let's load the paper. Load A4 or letter-size paper with the printing side facing down. Make sure the paper is touching the front paper guide. Align the paper guides with the edges of the paper. Don't slide the paper guides in too much or the paper may misfeed. Attach the cassette cover. Then, return the cassette. The paper information registration screen appears. Use the right or left arrow to match the paper size and type, pressing OK after each selection. Slide out the paper output tray. Open the output tray extension. The paper loading is now complete. Thank you for watching.